everyone. Start off by adding some hair gel and then take a section out from the front of the hair. Make a braid out of it, and then when you reach the base, make 3 braids out of it. Then tie a ponytail at the bottom after making a heart shape out of the braids. Next, divide the hair into 4 sections, taking the front section, add a ribbon to it at the top, and then using the ribbon as one of the sections, make a braid out of it. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair from the front into this braid. Do this on either side and then join it at the back into 2 braids, roll the braids up, tie it in place, and then wrap the ribbon around it, make a bow out of it, and tie it up in place. Use a rubber band. Next, diagonally divide the hair as such, and then in the bottom half, make multiple sections as such. Join it all together until they form one piece, and then join it to the left side. Make a braid on the left side and then roll it up into a bun. Use the rubber band to fasten it in its place. Next, take some hair and then comb the hair into place. Use some hair gel and then make the bottom half into multiple sections, join it to the top and make a ponytail at the top. Now use a bun stick and wrap the hair around it and then adjust it accordingly. Now once you are done adjusting it, add a rubber band around it and add a decorative rubber band. Diagonally divide the hair and then in the bottom division make multiple sections out of it, add multiple rubber bands, join it to the left side and then make a ponytail out of the left side, make a braid and wrap it up into a bun. Make a ponytail at the back and leave out a small section in the front as such. Begin to braid the front section, including more and more hair from the front sections. Now, once you are done with all of the sections in the front, continue to include hair from the ponytail that you have initially created and move backwards with the braid. Once you are done, roll the braid up into a bun and add pins to keep it in place. Next, start off by tying a ponytail on either side, then make a small braid out of part of the ponytail. Then use a bun stick and then wrap the rest of the hair up in the bun stick except for the braid. Let the braid be in the side as such. Adjust the hair accordingly and then tie a rubber band to it once you are done. Next, start off by taking the front section of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Make another section at the back and then wrap it around the second section. That is, wrap the first section around the second. Continue to do this until you reach the base and then loosen out the sides using your fingers. Now loosen it until you reach the base using your fingers on either side, and this is the final look. Next, start off by sectioning off the front of the hair into 2 portions on one of the sides. Now, taking one of the sections on the front, begin to braid it and use the section of the hair before the central parting to braid it. Make another braid on the side, tie a ponytail at the back, take a small section of this ponytail, roll it in on itself and make a bow. Next, divide the hair into 4 sections, make 2 braids at the bottom, join it to the top, make 2 braids at the top as well, and then form it into a bow. Next, start off by tying a ponytail and then wrap your rubber band around this ponytail as such. Once you are done with this, twist it up and then tie it in place, add clips at the bottom and then let the ponytail loose. Take a section off the top of the hair and leave it aside. Now begin to braid this section. As you progress with this braid, include sections from the front of the hair. That is the front of the hair closer to the face. Now make a normal braid in the sides, join it at the back, add a bow. Next, take out a section from the front and then tie a rubber band at the back. Make 2 braids out of the section and fold it up in a bow. Make 2 braids at the back, roll it up, add a decorative clip. Take a section off the top of the scalp, make 2 braids out of it, make it in the shape of a bow. Use a hair stick in order to fasten it in its place. Now begin to braid the hair in this portion. Once you have done braiding it, make it into a French braid. Include sections from both sides into it and make it tight. Thank you for watching.